Take a look around here. I'm giving a sale here. I want to sell everything in this building, or at a discount price to this, because I have to let it go. I have to empty the building out, and I want to sell everything here at a very, very, very discount price. And there's all kind of things here, and I just want to let me slow down so you can see everything that's here. And you're welcome to come down and take a look. When I put this online, I'll put the link to YouTube so you can see all this. And if you have an interest in these items here, we can work out. I have car parts, all kind of stuff. This is a warehouse, and there's going to be a warehouse sale too. So, leather couches, sleeper sofas, furniture and appliances, because we have to get it ready for emptying out. And if you need some warehouse space or some storage space, we can accommodate that for you too. So this is what it's like. And just so you know, it's a multi-task building where you can drive a car throughout the whole building. I'm going to let this stuff go. Some old bikes here too, so I can let go at a discount price. Summertime is coming. Air conditioners, furniture, all kind of things. My phone is ringing right now. Just hold on. Bear with me, I have to put you on pause.